In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Figma file in Notion with this simple tutorial designed for beginners. This is an essential skill if you're looking to integrate your design workflows seamlessly within Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance the collaborative capabilities of your projects by linking your Figma designs directly into your Notion pages. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Figma file. Navigate to the Figma application or website and select the specific file you want to embed. If you're just getting started with Figma, this file might be a recent project you're working on or a design draft you want to share with your team. Opening the file is as simple as clicking on its thumbnail in your Figma dashboard. You should see your design displayed, ready for the next steps. Next, our goal is to copy the share link. In Figma, look towards the top right corner of your window where you'll find a Share button. Clicking this will open a dialog box with several options for sharing your design. To obtain the necessary link for embedding, ensure that the link sharing options are set to allow access for those who need it. Sometimes you might want this link to be available only to specific people, in which case you'd restrict access accordingly. Once you're set, click on the Copy Link button. This link is what allows Notion to fetch and display your Figma design. Now let's move over to Notion. Open your desired Notion page where you want the Figma design to appear. In Notion, you'll need to create a new block to embed the Figma file. Begin by typing a / followed by Figma. This is Notion's shortcut to introduce a Figma block into your page. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing suggesting a Figma option. Go ahead and select that. It prepares a space on your Notion page specifically tailored for embedding designs from Figma. Finally, with your Figma block ready, you'll want to paste the link you copied earlier into this block to start embedding your design. Simply right-click and paste, or use the keyboard shortcut for pasting. Notion will automatically detect this as a Figma link and start pulling in the design for you to view right there on your page. There you have it. Your Figma design is now embedded in your Notion workspace, visually enriching your projects and aiding in clearer communication with your team. And there you go. You've successfully embedded a Figma file into Notion. Not only does this integration streamline the way you work, but it also allows for a fluid design collaboration experience. If you found this tutorial helpful,